Hey beautiful girls and ladies, how are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Girly Hacks, where we celebrate style that is bold, messy and absolutely chic. Today we are diving into the ultimate cool girl hair trend of 2026. The short shaggy hairstyle. If you are looking for a haircut that low maintenance but high impact, the shag is your perfect match. We start our collection with the classic shaggy, while with its choppy layers and feathered ends. This look is all about texture and movement. It's designed to look perfectly undone, giving you a fresh, energetic vibe that works for any face shapes. As we move through this slide, notice the layered shaggy bob, a modern favorite for this season, by adding heavy layers and curtain bangs to a chin length cut. You get an instant boost of volume that makes thin hair look thick and full of life. For those who love a bit of edgy, the shaggy mullet or the wolf cut is making a massive comeback. It's a rebellious trend and frames the eyes beautifully. This style is especially stunning on wavy or curly hair, as it allows your natural texture to take center stage without the weight of long hair. We are also showcasing the soft shag with wispy bangs, a more romantic version of this edgy cut. It's perfect for those who want the shaggy look but with a softer, more feminine touch. Whether your style is with a bit of sea salt spray for a beachy texture or blow dry it for a polished 70s inspired flag. The short shag is incredibly versatile. It's not just a haircut, it's a statement of freedom and effortless beauty. Stay tuned as we recap the best shaggy looks of the year. And don't forget to save your favorite style for your next salon visit. If you are ready to embrace the layers, hit that like button and subscribe for more hair inspiration. Stay messy, stay stylish and stay beautiful. See you in the next one. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones and those around you. I hope you do it. Bye bye.